What's up everybody, my name is Eric V, travel and hiking enthusiast and video content creator. Today I have an awesome video for you guys on how to achieve lighting just like this in your studio on a budget for beginners. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, press that red play button down below and you guys can catch more of my content and videos. And now let's get started on how to achieve this look right now. Whoa. So this is the lighting we're working with in this room. As you can see, it's very dark. The only light that's coming in is the light coming from the window. It's about 4 o'clock in the day. It's a cloudy day, so it is pretty dark outside itself. So as you can see, this room is very, very dark. So now let's go over the things you guys are gonna need to achieve better lighting. Alright guys, this is a pan shot of what we're going to need. We're going to start off with the Vil Trucks Slim LED panels for $33.59 each with the free wax paper on top as a diffuser. To hold those up, we have the Neewer light stands for $24.50 for the pair. To power those up, you're going to need AC to DC 12 volt plugs for the pair. It's $12.99, and you may need those extension cords for a total of $117.66 on a budget. Here we have the Vil Trucks panel. It's the back side. Very simple. I'll show you some of the features in a second. This is the front side of the panel. The side profile itself, it's very thin, very travel compact. This toggle right here is just the power level and how luminescent you want it. And if you press this toggle, it goes into the Kelvin level, which I'll show you in a second. It goes to 3300 Kelvin all the way up to 5600 Kelvin for that white pure light. Another great pan shot of what we're going to need, guys. Once again, those AC to DC adapters, the LED panels itself with free wax paper, and you may need these extension cords. Might as well grab them for $12.99 for the pair. Here are the Neewer light stands. They are very tall. Pretty sure they go over 7 foot. Perfect for them. Pretty stable. No problems with them. Okay, the principles of 3-point lighting. You have your subject, myself right here. We're going to talk about the first light. That is your main light or key light. This primarily illuminates the subject. Secondary light is right here, or the fill light. It will balance the rest of the subject and disperse light evenly. And this is your backlight here, your third point of lighting, and this will add depth into your shot. I use the computer in the background for that. And this is 3-point lighting, just in a basic diagram that I've created. Hope you guys like it. And lastly is practical lighting. It's the lamp in the background. It adds more depth and creativity to your shot. Okay, let's get into how these lights are changing the scene. Here, there's no light at all, and then bang, we turn on that main light, that key light, that primary source of light, and it's also coming from the window as well. But now we're gonna turn on the next scene, and then now it's the second light filling my face, evenly dispersing light. But as you can see, I'm missing a little bit. It's not shown in the diagram, but I felt like turning on a ceiling light, and this is called the hair light. Now my forehead is evenly dispersed, and there's a sheen on that nice flowy hair. Oh yeah. And lastly, turn on that practical lighting, and we have the backlight coming from the computers, giving that slight blue tint on the right side of my face. And that's it, guys. And this is the end product, guys, just like the beginning. Like I said, this is on a budget, but everyone's budget is different. If you can't afford the $100 or so that I put into this setup, you can always use household lampshades, track lights, ceiling lights like I did, even adding the wax paper as a diffuser. Those are always smart, free ways to create the same lighting setup I have. You can always apply the principles that I've instructed through this video to achieve the same lighting setup with lights around your home. But once again, these are great budget lights that you should add to your arsenal of video equipment and is really highly needed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Once again, please subscribe to my channel, press that red play button down below, and there's gonna be more videos around my face right now. Go check them out. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Cool.